Unlock flexible payments everywhere you shop, even offline, by combining Cash App and Afterpay. Ever wished you could use your buy now, pay later options when you're at your favorite physical store? Well, now you can with Cash App and Afterpay. This tutorial will walk you through exactly how to set this up and use it for seamless installment payments first things first. Ensure you have both the Cash App and the Afterpay app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your app store and download them once installed. Open your Cash App and navigate to the Cash Card tab, typically found at the bottom of the screen here. You'll be able to activate and manage your Cash App card. Make sure your Cash App card is properly set up and linked to your account. Next, open your Afterpay app and locate the section for adding payment methods. You'll want to add your Cash App card. Here, this is the crucial step that links your installment plan to your physical spending. Follow the prompts in the Afterpay app to enter your Cash App card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. It's a straightforward process, similar to adding any other payment card. Once your Cash App card is successfully added to your Afterpay account, you're pretty much ready to go. Now for the in-store magic. When you're at the checkout counter of any store that accepts Afterpay, simply let the cashier know you'll be paying with Afterpay instead of using a traditional credit or debit card. You'll be using your Cash App card as the linked payment method within Afterpay, so when prompted for payment, you'll instruct the cashier to run your Cash App card. The payment will then be processed through your Afterpay account, automatically splitting your purchase into manageable installments. As per your Afterpay plan, it's that simple. No need for a separate physical Afterpay card. Your Cash App card is now your gateway to flexible in-store buy now, pay later shopping. Enjoy the freedom to shop more and pay over time, all thanks to this powerful integration. Happy shopping!